like wildfire search the bush in Hamatan. Oh, I will burn, and nothing will remain.
Let me have my mother's cups. See that you're playing with me. I will crush you.
The vengeance has just begun.
How dare you? How dare you? Where is my mother's cup? Where is my mother's cup that you're mopping at me? Where is my mother's cup?
Say that one more time, and you will not just be looking for your mother's cups, but that of your entire family.
Let me have my mother's cup, else!
Else what?
Don't you dare me!
What will you do?
Oh, Biajola, I will destroy you. I will destroy your full generation.
Don't dare! Don't dare! I have money to speak to you. I have power to fight you. So tell me, how do you want it? Ha! You see, my muye no dey learn walk. Ha!
Get them down and have them wiped. I will make him have a taste of misery.
You have made up your mind to do something that would destroy your life.
I cannot have something to do with a heartless man like you. He's so evil. Evil personified.
Are you going to allow me bury my mother in peace? Are you? What is the meaning of this?
You pushed me to a path of no return, and I'm ready to pay back.
Etiko, I will burn!